Go high, Maddie.
Come on. Come on. Come on. You just let the cat go by. The pump went out. The first thing I do is I check under here. Uh-oh. Evidence. Look at that. Where'd you get that from? And look at, there's mice poo-poo. I've got to put a mask and gloves on if I'm going in there. I wonder if he chewed up the wires. That is clove. And he, looks like he bit it. Mice aren't supposed to like cloves. You dirty little rat. Trying to see in there without going in there. Seeing if there's another nest. They had built one right there in the corner, underneath that. I don't see any. Is that bite marks? No, that's just tape. Where did this come from? Yeah, I'm just wondering if he chewed up the wires. And that's why the pump's not working. But I have an extra pump. I just have to take it in somewhere. It was making noise, so it was probably going bad anyways. Dirty little rats. I do have gloves on. And I'm going to clean this out. I'll put this up. Oh! I know what that is. That was like a pad of cotton. And I had soaked it with peppermint oil. So much for that. I just left the boys at the campsite because I've got to go back to Lida, this road, and get my water pump fixed. That's the closest place I could find that would fix it. It's an RV shop, and yes, they're gonna charge me a pretty penny, but hey, I'll get it done. I have an extra water pump. It'll be all right. We are at the RV repair place. Gonna get our water pump finally fixed. It's been like making noise for a while, so it's good that we finally made it over here. It's starting to sprinkle, but we're gonna go next door, check out the pickle man. Look how cool these benches are. They're made out of skis. I just thought that these were really cool, these seats. You ready to go? Let's go back. There it is. Shouldn't take them very long. I'm guessing an hour at the most. What do you think, Rox? Look at this Jeep. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, I would love that. I'm at Chafee Tire. They're fixing my tire.
Yeah, go ahead, just go.
Don't hit the bikes, Hannah. Don't hit the bikes. You don't want a bike gang coming after you. Oh, thank you. Salida. I just got an alert that somebody bought me some coffee. Enjoy Salida. All right. the light is red for you. I made a fence out of bikes. That is really interesting. I thought I had the pump. I've been carrying this around and they're like, I don't know what an accumulator tank is. I don't know what it is either. Oh, it increases pump life. I guess you add it with the pump. I don't know. I thought that was a pump. Thank goodness I didn't let anybody work on it other than a professional, because we would have opened everything up and been like, what is this? I mean, even Maddie, you know, like offered, and I'm like, I don't know. I think I saw mouse droppings in there. I don't want you to get, you know, a virus. And he's like, I don't want to get a virus either. I go, plus, you know, like, I don't know. It's very entailed. So, but he was willing to try it. You know, he's a Tinker King. But I took it over to this place, Holiday RV, and they were wonderful. They got me in and out in about an hour and a half. They had trouble finding the pump. I'm like, I'll show you where it's at. I know exactly where it's at. So it would have been like probably a lot quicker had I shown them. But yeah, initially I thought it was just going to be like $210, and it ended up being, with the pump, $426.55. I was just like, ouch! I wasn't expecting that. So anyways, it is what it is. And then the valve stem, they quoted me $80 over in Leadville, and over here it was only $30. So I got that replaced. Saved $50 there. Spent $200 extra, but saved $50. I don't know. It doesn't seem even Steven to me, but you know, this is why you have to have an emergency fund. I told a lady, Roxy's got to get a job. She goes, it's not her fault the water pump broke. Who's taking all the showers and turning on the water? And I'm like, oh, I guess I need to get a job. Anyways, it's done. It's been acting kind of funny and giving me, you know, it's been kind of noisy for over a year. So it was way past due. It's silent now.